What is up? It's your boy, Gears of Snore. And I just dropped my helmet on the ground and had to put the shield, visor, whatever you call it, back on that came with it, that tints itself. So scratch the other one. Headed out to a car show at the Sussex County Fairgrounds, but it is Bikes and Breakfast today. So I'm gonna make a quick stop there at Pagoda Press in Pagoda, New Jersey. Normally I'd just get off the highway, cut down River Road, Railroad Ave, but they tore it up for paving, so we'll take the Hudson Street exit here on Shady 80. This will probably be one of the longer videos I make. Yeah, so let's go to Bikes and Breakfast for a little bit. Can't say enough good things about these Avon memory foam grips. I don't have my gloves on right now because someone was in a hurry, which is why they dropped their helmet. I'm not pointing any fingers, but sitting at that light. Whew. Look at that timing. Coincidentally, this is the way you go to Torque Custom Cycles. They do all the work on my bike. Can't say enough good things about them. Call them, tell them Gears of War sent you. Gears of War. Gears of Snore, rather. Gears of War is a dope video game, by the way. Looking forward to the new one coming out. I believe it's next year. Sitting over here on Hudson Street in Hackensack. Yeah, Hackensack's crazy. It's like they knock down every building they can and they build a bigger one. So many cool places in Hackensack, though. Got some e-bikes there. I can tell you this, if you're looking for an awesome sandwich in Hackensack, go to Cosmos. I'll put the address up on the screen. Just remember to bring cash with you. You may want to get there before the line starts at 11. I mean, they've been there a long time, so you know they're doing something right. Ain't no kind of crap sandwich you get from some of these chain places either. I'll be right back when this turns green. And we're back. Past the USS Ling going over this bridge here, or as we call it, the Mud Submarine. Come on, bro, maybe you walk your ass a little faster here, pal, huh? Let's see if I can get a look at it for you guys. a couple dudes here today. My God, this may be the slowest turn I've ever witnessed in my life. Take a walk around, look at some bikes. Yeah, take a look at Vanilla Ice here. Oh, badass Ducati. Never gets old. I swear the Lowrider ST is like Harley's rocket ship. Like I was saying, this is 565 south. When you get up to the light at 15, if you make a right, you could really ride that all the way into Port Jervis. Oh, must not be in a hurry. The cows are out today. Try to hang out at the car show for a little bit, then head back, play some Fortnite Zero Build. My friend Johnny, he's got a YouTube channel, Miami Bro channel. I'll put it down in the video description. His son Jacob was singing this song about me being butthurt because he killed me, and it is stuck in my head the past 2 days. Thanks, Jacob. Appreciate it. It's funny too. He kept anytime he kills somebody, he'd say their name and sing it. It just That's really funny. Had to put the visor back on that tints itself. I had the mirror visor on, and in my rush to get going this morning, dropped the helmet and scratched it. Check that bad boy out. They're probably going to the car show. Just entered Frankfort Township. Let's engage some cruise control here. Look at that. Hands free, baby. Whoop. I missed my turn. Let me turn around. Alright, actually let me go up further, we'll go this way, what the hell. Sitting here relaxing with the cruise control on, not paying attention. This guy's out here hunting. I don't think you can hunt around here with a gun. Don't quote me on that, but I do think you can use bow and arrow. Again, don't quote me on that. I'm not sure of the rules. There. Not that I'm in any rush, man. I really like Route 565. I don't know if you guys remember that from my 565 video, the alien abduction house. Cleaned my windshield this morning. The rest of the bike, not so much. Maybe I'll try that blockhead cleaning products. Almost missed this turn because I was flapping my gums. Look at that quality quartering. Don't mind me. So you can see the sunflowers. something in my eyes. I can't really rub my eyes because I'm blind and I can't drive without glasses or contacts, and I prefer contacts. That's awesome. It was a BMW 1250. Their touring bike. I had that on the list. That was I used to fix computers for police stations in Bergen County, and that's how I saw and really wanted to get a Harley. Was I saw the Electra Glide, and I was just like, man, this is what a motorcycle is supposed to look like. And I bought a 2022 Electra Glide with the cable clutch. Loved the bike, just couldn't get a good seat and handlebar combo. But that they had also gotten those BMW police motorcycles donated from the California Highway Patrol. And I saw that bike too. I was like, one day, dude, one day that's going in my garage. That is a badass looking bike. But I think we may be here. Let's find out. Okay, it says I'm here. But one way said wedding. Oh, when in doubt, go straight. Anybody in here? Guess not. Alright, we're here. Let's get a parking spot and go check out some cars. I really do not want to be parking this in the grass. Oh, here's a motorcycle. Alright, be right back. if you're watching this, I just left the car show. I walked around, I didn't realize I had 88 cars there, man. Nice, all a lot of old muscle, a lot of Dodge and Chevys. It was free to get in. Hey, can't be free, right? Making my way back. Don't got my gloves on. Trying to get rid of these mime hands I got going on. I don't know if it's going to show up there. Got a bug after bug here committing suicide on my helmet. Heading back out to Route 565. This road itself here, this is Plains Road. I never came down it. Looks like it's a nice ride. You can ride it out to 206. Oddly enough, like I said, I only found out about this because I missed my turn. Some farmland over here. My buddy's hot rod Ken is probably in the last minute of the video. It is the hot rod with the open front end, blue and white stripes. Am I the only one? I swear, like, whenever you're ready to get out and rip your machine on these fantastic roads here in northern New Jersey, you get stuck behind the person who just will not go the speed limit. Like, we're actually driving 5 under. This machine right here was crafted by fine engineers in the good old United States of America. One does not simply drive under the speed limit. Yeah, look at that. Nothing but open land. That's where the Sam Squanch lives.
God, I hope it's not a Sam Squanch. Fuck, I hate those bastards.
Catch me some footage of a Sam Squanch. I'm rich. Well, if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I am the incredibly frustrated Gears of Snore. Drop these every Sunday at 4 p.m. Peace.